What's up guys, Fire Llama back with another video. This time we're back with another unboxing / review type video. So this video is kind of regarding the iPad Air Generation 3 video. This is the iPad Smart cover that we bought with it. And today basically we're going to be unboxing it, talking about it, and reviewing it. So let's get into unboxing it. So now, moving on to the case, let's start off about pricing. So basically, this case has a hefty price tag. It's $50. I wouldn't say it's worth it or it's a ripoff, but it is a slick looking case. The only thing, it's basically it doesn't have the shell on the under part, so really no protection there, only for the screen. And it has the smart features, which I will get into. So that is the iPad Smart cover. Here's a look at the front. Here's a look at the back. So first up, guys, we're going to be talking about the design and how it looks without being attached to the iPad yet. So here it is. The part that covers the screen is a very soft material, almost carpet-like. And then this is the magnet that attaches to the iPad, which I'll show you in a little bit. And this has lots of poses, like the landscape pose, where it basically holds like this, and that's the strong magnet. And let's flip it over to look at the back. This is just like a slick material. It's just like a clean material that looks really good on your iPad. And that's basically it for the design of this smart case. We've got the smart cover here, which attaches with the slick magnet right to the iPad. Just like that. And you really don't need to worry about how strong the magnet is, because you can lift it up just like that with no problem and it won't disattach. The only problem I have with this cover is they should have gave it like a shell in the back to protect the back, but the main protection is the screen. So basically they did a great job. And the smart feature, as you could see, just open it up, turns on, close it, it turns off. And other than that, this case is a pretty simple, straightforward case, but with very strong magnets, good designing, and some minor smart features. So this is how it looks on the iPad. Makes the iPad look quite clean, as you can see the back with the engraving and everything. And this is how it looks side view. Nothing too fancy, just a cover on top and the magnet piece on the side. So that is the smart cover, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Bye!